Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the spool and exposing the threading path. Place the spool on the horizontal pin and secure it with the cap so thread unwinds smoothly. Raise the presser foot and turn the hand wheel toward you one full turn to release tension discs. This is why the thread can seat properly later. Once done, guide the thread to the first thread guide above the spool, keeping light tension with your left hand so it doesn't tangle as you move forward. Now you follow the marked threading path. Pull the thread down between the tension discs, then up and through the K-cup lever from right to left. This lever controls stitch formation, so correct direction matters. Continue down through the remaining guides toward the needle, pausing at each to ensure the thread sits fully in the groove. Once near the needle, thread the small needle bar guide. Keeping slight tension with your finger ensures the thread feeds cleanly. Finish by threading the needle from the front to the back as your Janome indicates. Leave a 3 to 4 inch tail to grasp later. Make sure the bobbin is wound evenly and inserted so its thread pulls in the correct direction. Draw the bobbin thread up through the needle plate using the hand wheel and needle thread to form the loop. Lower the presser foot and hand turn 2 to 3 stitches to confirm proper threading. If the machine skips stitches or jams, reseat the thread in tension discs. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.